guys, Kim Cash here. Today I'm going to try something I haven't done before, but I've heard a lot about, and my parents used to talk about it, but I never did it. What I'm going to do is take some dandelions that I got out of the yard and going to make some dandelion tea. I did a little research on dandelion tea, and I found out that it came from Greece and Rome and Egypt in the beginning, and that it grows pretty prevalently over there. Of course, it grows prevalently here. One of the negative things about dandelions is that their seeds spread, you know, like with the wish, when you blow on a wish, the seeds are just carried in the wind. So dandelions are a weed, and I just want to say I'm not a doctor, and anything I say is just stuff that I've found, you know, reading about dandelions and different health benefits and things my parents told me, but they weren't doctors either. And you could have an allergic reaction to dandelions, especially you might want to consider not having dandelion tea if you take lithium or Cipro or any kind of diuretic. But because it is a diuretic itself, dandelions will reduce water retention and bloating, and they're supposed to be high in potassium and electrolyte. So they help the kidney and the liver process bile and toxins, and this is just stuff I've read, and I'm going to try it. I've heard that if you take the leaves and the stems and the flowers, they're all supposed to be edible, but they can be, this is what I don't know because I haven't had it, but I've heard that it can be very bitter. So if you take the roots of the dandelion and you roast them first on 350 for about 10 minutes, it's supposed to bring out some of the sweetness. And of course, if you roast them longer, it gives you a darker roast. So I'm going to try that first. I'm going to chop up the roots, I'm going to rinse them off, and then I'm going to roast them and boil them on the stovetop, and I'm going to make some tea. And if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I've strained my dandelion tea right here into this little pitcher, and now everyone in the family is going to have a little taste. And just in case none of us really like it, we've got some monk fruit out here to add to sweeten it. And monk fruit is a sweetener like sugar. Doesn't taste quite like sugar, I hear, but we'll see what everyone thinks. And we're just going to try it first without any sweetener.
Here. We're doing the tea. There.
I don't think it's bad. It's not sweet, of course. There's no sweetness to it, but it doesn't taste bad to me. I'm going to have the rest of my family taste it, and we'll see what they say. Here's one for you. Just, no, leave it on. It's okay. We'll just hear your reactions. Okay, so each of you tell me what you think.
It's like boiled artichoke hearts.
Yes, that's exactly what I was going to say.
Like you take
Just
the
like
leaves,
artichoke water.
artichoke water.
Which isn't bad. I mean, it's not like bad. It's just not sweet. Where's the monk fruit?
That's
Okay.
exactly what
It
it tastes like.
smells like artichoke water.
Yeah, everything
Okay.
about it seems.
So-
Are you
more
sure you didn't
about it-
boil artichokes?
We've
More
got
about
monk
it
fruit
smells
extract.
like artichoke than it tastes of artichoke. It's very subtle, flavor-wise, but it smells very strongly of artichoke.
I would not do more than a fourth
Of a teaspoon? It's very, very sweet.
Yeah.
Put a teeny
Okay.
bit in.
Yeah,
Let's
put
put a
a
teeny
little
bit.
bit.
That is a massive.
I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to get some out of here. I don't want to,
Yeah, it's up is surprisingly sweet.
like, about that.
Go for
You
it.
think?
Sure.
Try it.
That's a quarter
Okay.
tablespoon.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's like a,
I don't think you know how small teaspoons are.
oh, that's much better.
Is it?
And I just took a tiny, tiny bit. Give each a little
Here, help
smidge.
yourself to whatever.
Yeah, if you add some monk fruit, it's really pretty good. And it's supposed to be good for your kidneys, your liver.
Monk
It's-
fruit is?
No, the dandelion tea. It's supposed to be high in potassium. Oh, Sophie wants some. Hi, Sophie. This isn't for Sophie.
Now it tastes like sweet artichoke water.
Yeah, it does taste like sweet artichoke. Yeah. When you're peeling off the leaves from a artichoke to get to the heart, and you smell that aroma that comes off it, that's what it tastes just like.
I bet that mayonnaise and butter would be really good in this.
Yeah, dandelion, exactly.
It's actually not bad. It's just weird because it tastes like a vegetable that we have in a different way.
Well, yeah, I did read when I was doing some research that it used to be used as like a vegetable.
Well, it doesn't taste like vegetable. It tastes like what vegetables smell like.
Yeah.
It's a different thing. It's like a watered down different thing.
If you plug your nose, it wouldn't taste of artichoke. It smells very,
I'm gonna try that.
very
Try
strongly
that.
of artichoke.
Yeah, you're right. You guys are right.
But taste-wise,
Swallow and clear my nose.
taste-wise, it's very, very subtle.
It's subtle, yeah,
Although you need to have the you don't need to have the monk fruit in it.
but it's
but
better
it
with
helps.
it. It helps for
Yeah.
sure. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how much of the roots I had to use to make the tea. It's actually a lot of the leaves, the stems, the flowers, and I had used the roasted roots. So it took that much to make a few cups of the dandelion tea. I just wanted you to be aware of that. Anyway, I don't think it was bad. I think it was interesting. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will try to answer those. So anyway, that's my homemade dandelion tea, which is also
Right,
called
disgusting.
lion's tooth tea, and there's other names for it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye.